Hello, all you beautiful butterflies out there. I hope that you're doing well. And for my subscribers that have been loving on me forever, I love y'all back so much. And for the new people here, thank you just for stopping by and even taking 2 seconds out of your day. Um, I've got this weird contraption here, y'all, and it is going to be so much fun to see what I can do with it. What it is it's a wheel, a side wheel for saran wrap or cling wrap or whatever it is, for like industrial size. So I saw it at work. It was being thrown out in the trash, and I was like, oh, heck no. I have cut off a 2 strand of the Dollar Tree diamond wrap, and I'm just placing it around on the sides. And then I'm also going to be using these silver plastic spoons, but there's only one spoon left. And I did keep the handles because I used the spoons for another project. And I'm just placing them with my hot glue gun, and I finally got a new hot glue gun. I'm so excited. I'm just placing those just right around, just like that. Around my spoon handles, I've added some of the flower mesh, and on the sides, just some, I think it's the next to the smallest size gems of the Walmart gems. And then around the little middle part, which you can see here, I am just covering that up with one little piece of gem as well. And it is starting to look like a flying saucer. To my spoon handles and to the sides there, I've added some more bling. And then of course I have also put in some Dollar Tree pearls at the top of each one of these little spoon handles. And then of course at the bottom. I had to turn this over and just place some more Walmart gems all the way around. This piece I made a long time ago before I started doing YouTube projects and putting them out there. So this is a bowl from the Dollar Tree, and they come in the wedding section in 4 in a package. And then the little candle holder, of course, for those of you that know Dollar Tree candle holders, there it is. And I just spray painted it black and put bling on it, and I will be using it in this project. For my top piece, I am taking these 3 little strands, and I'm going to be placing them on the other side of this Dollar Tree mirror. And I've also added a little pearl at the end of each of these pieces. And I'm using the pearls from Walmart. This top piece here is the bottom of a wine glass from the Dollar Tree, and I have just hot glued it right down, and that is going to be the base for my mirror. I am going to be using this strand of lights that I got, and they are so similar to the ones that you can find at Dollar Tree. And yeah, I always cheat and keep the top off just so I can change out the batteries easier. I am placing my strand of lights inside of my bowl. I've had this bird decoration in my craft stash for about a year. I'm going to take it out right now. I'm super excited. It's one of my favorite things ever that I've purchased. The bird had this little piece on it and it was kind of like stuck inside. And so all I did was just kind of pull up just a tiny bit. If you can see that. And instead of yanking it, I just kind of backed it out of the bird. So it kind of left it with just a little piece that I can cover up. I'm hot gluing my beautiful bird to another bottom piece of a champagne glass. And y'all, this is how it turned out. I think it's beautiful.